Hi everyone, it's Erlene of Erlene Garcia Art, and today I will be sharing with you one of my latest kits that I put together for you for a limited time only. This is a smudging kit. It is used during cleansing and ritual ceremonies. I made a little convenient size for travel or gift giving, and I designed the smudge feather with duck, pheasant, leather, and turquoise. Let's learn about each piece. Sage. This sacred plant is used in spiritual ceremonies and as a medicine in ancient times by some Native American tribes for its healing and purifying properties. Sage guards the west door on the medicine wheel. Sage is commonly used in a traditional practice called smudging. This cleansing method is done by burning the sacred leaves and other sacred herbs to remove negative energy and sickness in the home, work, oneself, people, medicine bags, crystals, amulets, and talisman. Sage in modern times has also come to be an accelerator with Palo Santo, holy wood, flowers, minerals, and crystals. Sage, cedar, tobacco, and sweetgrass are the four sacred medicines used in spiritual ceremonies for blessings, teachings, fasting, guarding, cleansing, and especially communication with the spirit world. Worldwide, feathers have mystical and symbolic meanings from the type of bird, color, and wingspan. Represents faith, love, angels, protection, peace, freedom, power, wisdom, and strength. A smudge feather or fan is used to direct the blessings or petition to the wind spirit. The wind spirit carries the prayers to the Creator. Abalone is used in ceremonies by many cultures worldwide. Abalone is a natural element representing Mother Earth, brings healing from the ocean, teaches us to be more compassionate. Native Americans use abalone with sage and prayers for protection and purification ceremonies. Palo Santo is Spanish meaning holy wood or wood of saints, treasured in South America for its medicinal and purifying properties. A mystical tree that offers good luck to the believers of its magic. The aromatic citrus scent of this holy wood is said to activate tranquility, creativity, and healing energy while releasing misfortune. Used to cleanse your home of evil spirits and negative energy. The charcoal is also used in smudging rituals and spiritual ceremonies. The Palo Santo tree is of the copal, myrrh, and frankincense family. Tobacco guards the east door of the medicine wheel. Offer tobacco to Mother Earth when borrowing from her. Tobacco absorbs your prayer. The smoke meets the wind spirit and carries messages and prayers to our Creator. Sea salt, also known as pink halite and Himalayan salt rock, an excellent grounding stone, beneficial for love, prosperity, protection, mindfulness, and abundance. Used to balance emotions and stress. Carry as a talisman for good luck. Use grounded salt rock as an added protection base in the abalone shell while burning sage. For centuries, salt rock was used for purification, protection from evil, and the dark arts. Selenite, also known as Maria glass, desert rose, and satin spar, named after Selene, the Greek goddess of the moon. An essential and powerful high vibration stone used in your spiritual work for love, fertility, fidelity, reconciliation, strength, healing, inner peace, clarity, protection, and cleansing. The healing properties can also be obtained to purify and energize your body in a bath as it dissolves in water. Beneficial to open the portal to the past and future lives. Put it in the corner of your home to attract serenity. Each of these sacred items will come with the information tied to the item and a certificate of authenticity for the feather that I made. So I appreciate you guys stopping by and looking at my latest kit on Etsy. So you guys have a happy day, and I look forward to hearing from you. Be sure and subscribe, and I look forward to visiting with you again soon. Thanks. Have a happy day. Bye.